Today we discussed about life cycles and alternation of generations. Objectives 1. The plant alternation of generations, gametophyte N, STM-teophyte 2N. 2. How gametophyte makes gametes, zygote, sporophyte. Sporophyte, meiosis, makes spores, gametophyte. 3. Dominance across groups, gametophyte in algae/pliophytes, sporophyte in pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms, and white matters, variation and adaptation. Plants are living organisms that not only provide food and oxygen, but also show fascinating life cycles that differ from animals. One of the most important biological features seen in plants is the alternation of generations, a unique process that shows how plants reproduce and evolve from one generation to the next. What is a plant life cycle? Every plant goes through a life cycle which includes growth, reproduction, and the formation of a new generation. But unlike animals, plants have two distinct generations that alternate with each other during their life cycle, the gametophyte and the sporophyte. Alternation of generations. The alternation of generations is the regular alternation between two phases, one that produces gametes, sex cells, and another that produces spores. Let's understand both phases clearly. 1. Gametophyte generation. It is the haploid phase, having one set of chromosomes. This generation produces gametes, male and female reproductive cells. When these gametes fuse during fertilization, they form a zygote, which grows into the sporophyte generation. 2. Sporophyte generation. It is the diploid phase, having two sets of chromosomes. This generation produces spores through a process called meiosis. Each spore can grow into a new gametophyte, completing the cycle. Examples of alternation of generations. The pattern of alternation varies in different plant groups. In algae and bryophytes, the gametophyte phase is dominant. In pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms, the sporophyte phase is dominant, the plant we usually see. This alternation helps plants maintain genetic diversity and adapt to environmental changes, ensuring survival over millions of years. Today's topic summary. 1. Plants show two distinct generations in their life cycle, gametophyte and sporophyte. 2. The process of switching between these two is called alternation of generations. 3. Gametophyte produces gametes, sex cells. Sporophyte produces spores through meiosis. 4. In lower plants like algae and mosses, gametophyte dominates. In higher plants like ferns and flowering plants, sporophyte dominates. 5. This alternation ensures reproduction, variation, and continuation of plant life across generations.